Hello there, in this video I will show you page is not available right now on Facebook or Facebook app not opening. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store. Search for Facebook. Update your Facebook application if it's available. This problem happens due to Facebook block in your area or location. So you need to install a free VPN from your Play Store. Go ahead and install a free VPN. Once the installation process has been completed, close your Play Store application. Now go to Settings. Find out Apps or Application Management. Tap on it. Search for Facebook. Open it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap on OK or Delete. After that, move back to the home screen and connect your phone with the VPN network. Now open your Facebook application. Log into your account. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.